Okay, slight delay here. Now, let's go ahead and see what's in the package here. Sorry, this is in 2 parts. So, as usual, you get dies, you get stamps, and so let's get started with the contents. You get some twine. I've used sew-in thread with this. That was rather difficult, so I'm looking forward to trying it with the twine to see if it makes things any easier. Of course, you could use any type string element you want, whether it be a wire, invisible thread. Just depends on how visible you want it to be. And so that comes with that. Now, one of the other reasons why I really want this is it comes with more of the dewdrops. And I can use this with this one, but I can also use it with my previous one with the over the edge characters with the little kitties and doggies and the umbrella, and so this works well for the splashing water effect. Alright, now for the main part of the set. This is a stamp set of 1 of 2, and you can see there the little dolphin or whale and the twirling mermaid. Let's see here. And we've got some words. Go make some waves. Hello, beautiful. Thank you. Sending sunny smiles. Very nice. So that's the first set of stamps that come with it. Now the next set is the little girl and boy. So you've got the back of them there. And the front. And then over here. Sorry about that. You have the other one. And on this it has adventure awaits, birthday girl, birthday boy, have a great day, I believe in you. Along with a balloon and a backpack. It's all kinds of goodness there. Then we have the dies. And in this, you're going to have the cutout for the dolphin and the round cutout for the kids. And this use the same cutout for the dolphin. You can use the round one for the mermaid or the heart. So basically, you're going to have a cutout for each of these, as you can see. So you don't end up having to fussy cut them. You'll have the dies to allow you to do that. Next up, you get the cards, and they're matching envelopes. You've got 24. They've been doing a pretty decent quantity of these here the last few kits, so that's nice. You get 3 different sizes. I love the 6x6, the 5x7. I use those almost all the time. And then we've got matching envelopes in those sizes. Then we get to the paper. And on the paper, I'm going to do the solid first. Looks like white or really pale purple, but I believe that's white. And then we've got a tan brown. You get, looks like 2 sheets each. This is a light reddish. Then we get a lilac color, or light purple. Kind of a sage. Kind of a burnt umber or brownish. Dark aqua blue. Darker purple than what we saw before. Slightly darker green. And these are the print papers. You get a pretty reddish pink. Looks like there's 3 shades, 3 pieces of each print. Chevron, blue chevron, which is always nice. People love a classic chevron pattern. Then we've got a floral, and this one's on a beige kind of greenish background here. I'd say khaki. Purple and a crisscross diamond shape. Haven't seen them do a brick background before. And I actually have an embossing photo brick. You can find them easily at Joann's or Hobby Lobby in a brick pattern, but I wonder how this would look if I did that where it was a combination. And then sky, although it looks like they did the sky in a greenish instead of a bluish background, so that's different. So basically that is the Twirling Characters craft kit. Thank you for joining me. I hope you decide if you want this one. I will say this is one I think I was looking forward to. So I would, if you want to try out one of their craft kits, this would be a good one to try out. You could always wait for 6 months and see if it happens to show up at Tuesday morning for $12.99, but that's hit or miss depending on quantity. Thank you for joining me, and you have a nice day, and be sure to like and subscribe and invite your friends.